Hello class, I'm going to show you how can you record videos using Mis Cursos. Remember, the activity that you have to send today is a video. So, as usual, you have to go down at the end, scroll down, and click where it says Add Submission. You have to wait to load the page again, go back, scroll down again, and you will have these options to send the activity. You have the section online text and the section file submission. You are going to use this section online text. If you check, you have this camera icon. You have to click it to start recording. If you see, you have the button start recording. So you will have to start recording and you will have to be ready with your app. Remember, we're testing our app. So what you have to submit today is a video doing this.
Hola David.
Shaking your cell phone or your tablet, depending on what you have, to see that your app work.
Hola David.
So I'm going to start recording. I'm going to click start recording. Now, check this out. If you see you are recording, you have 2 minutes to record. So what you have to do today is doing this. You have to start recording and shake your cell phone.
Hola David.
So I can listen that you app work. Remember, you have to type your name, not my name. I'm David. That's why this is saying hi David. Right.
Hola David. Hola David.
It's supposed to say your name. So after
Hola David.
recording yourselves,
Hola David.
doing this, you have to stop recording. Click where it says attach recording. Wait for you have to wait for the platform load your video. It's loading your video. One more time, it's loading again. And now you can click on save changes. Save changes, and that's it. When you submit your activity, I will see the video like this. If I make play video over here, now check this out, and I can see the video. So that's how are you going to deliver your activity today. If you have any issues, any problems, ask me, okay? Tell me.